A wise man once said, better than having a boat is having a friend that has a boat. Well, the same thing goes about a farm. It's amazing when it's not yours.
Okay guys, so we're doing like our organization today here in the farm because as always, every day is organization day. But today I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do.
There's always so much work to do. When there isn't something broken, there's something breaking. Either it's broken or we're fixing it.
Tudo aqui, ó, tudo molhado, tudo vazando.
Either there are chicks hatching or there are chicks that are way too big to be in the brooder. And in order to have chicks, we have to hatch some eggs. And today our shipment arrived for new eggs to hatch here at the farm. And if there isn't a frog stuck to the windshield of your car, there is a pig that escaped the pig pen and is destroying the whole yard here at the farm. DiCaprio, come on! And when it's not the pig escaping, we have chickens escaping their coops.
Bora levar a galinha fugitiva pra lá. Nossa.
Água vazando aí também, ó. But can I tell you something? As much as the farm life is a lot of work, tiring, hot, I would not trade this for the city life ever. And since you're not here to help us, sit back and relax and enjoy the vlog. But thank God we have two men that are willing to help us in everything that we do here around the farm. Chama!
Okay guys, so we're doing like our organization today here in the farm because as always, every day is organization day. But today I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do.
Because we have a lot of chicks that are hatching, we have to rearrange the coop, the chicks inside the coop to make space for the new ones that are coming in. So we have this big coop and we had only like six, seven chicks in here. And in that coop, we had like 30 chicks that were growing. But now so we got the 7 from here, put it there, and got the 30 from there, put it here. Now we have an open space there to bring in new chicks, which are these that we got, some polacos gigantes. So we're gonna put these in there, and now we just made space from nothing.
Nothing. What do you mean? We did make space.
We made space from nothing.
Yeah.
Everything was used, but we rearranged it in a way that now we have space to bring in these new ones.
Yep. We also going to change this guy because we have those Polish. I'm gonna show you closer, but we have the Polish. So we're gonna leave the Polish, just the white and the brown one separate. I think those are the ugliest thing ever.
They're so ugly, but as you get used to them, they start becoming cute. But they're ugly.
I don't think so, but
look like nutsack. These are the Indio Gigante Polaco.
They're big.
Hold my nutsack.
He's big. Is he or her?
I don't know. Bigger.
Oh, man, probably. Outro petinho.
Okay. Just like my nutsack.
Eco, véi.
Have a bigger home now.
We're probably gonna stay here for longer now.
Yeah.
Because we have to change.
Until we have to change them again.
Ele ajudando. É, você tá ajudando? Coloca, vai. Isso, meu bem. Coloca, 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 coloca! Olha só, filho. Família, família. Papai, mamãe, pintinho. Essas aqui, gente, é tudo botadeiro. O ovo azul, né, vai? Azul, verde, marrom. Agora você vê. Isso aqui não tava no lugar. Pra mim? Vem cá, deixa eu ver. Deixa eu ver. Tá quente, filho? Vem pra cá, ó. Oh, que legal, obrigada. Bonitinha, né, filho? Deixa eu ver essa aqui. Linda. Deixa eu ver essa aí. Ai, mamãe não quer, não. Vamos levar pra lá, vamos?
Okay, we have new eggs in. So these are the Malaysian bantams. I just got them off of eBay. They just arrived. The Malaysian bantams are those Sarama bantams that have a puffed up chest. We currently have a few. I got eggs from California. They hatched and then they're already laying eggs, which is awesome. But we need to get more from a different bloodline so we can mix them. So I'm very excited for these. About to put them in the incubator and hopefully everything goes well. Good packaging so far. Oh, that's interesting. I've never seen that before. Nice. Okay, so this person gave me 1 extra egg. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, which is awesome. Very much appreciated. Common courtesy. So now we're put it in the incubator and see you in 21 days.
No, Hannah.
We just arrived at our friend's house. We came to give his pig a medicine, but he's already done. But I brought some chicks for him. Look at that. He didn't even leave anything for you to do with the pig?
No.
Just eat?
I don't know. I think we have some things to do.
Really?
Yeah, but I'm gonna give an excuse to go to Walmart. I want to go to Walmart.
Well, unfortunately, we didn't arrive in time to help clean the pig. But we arrived just in time to eat the pig. Some people say that was on purpose, but it was definitely on purpose. And well, Raphael is getting everything ready. Right now, he's preparing the sausage, which is his favorite food, if you know what I mean. And his wife, Natalia, does not hold back. She's a great cook as well. And this right here is pequi. It's a common food from where Thalita is from, in Goiás, Brazil. Well, let's just be honest. I didn't like it the first time I tried, but I'm not the only one who didn't like it. Check this out. Sem fazer cara feia. Para de fazer cara feia. Well, I guess not everyone is built to eat pequi. But on the other hand, Thalita enjoys it like it's the best food she's ever had. Mostra o colaquinho, papai. Deixa eu ver. Pescocinho dele, ó. Pescocinho pelado, ó. Aí, ó. Pescocinho dele. Mostra, tiazinho. Mostra aqui, tiazinho, ó. Deixa o tiazinho pegar. Pega, tiazinho. Mostra aqui. Olha, o colaquinho. Coloca aí direito.
Que isso que você tá arrumando? Ah, tá. Que você tá arrumando?
And I guess this might be a Brazilian thing, but if you go to a friend's house who also has animals, and you don't leave there with at least a half a dozen new animals, there is definitely something wrong. Okay, so we have an order of Polish eggs. Excited?
Yes. Now let's see how it's gonna go, because we came home, was inside, but we think the person dropped the eggs.
Even though it says fragile.
And another thing is, it rained, so...
Yeah, it's a little wet, but I don't think the eggs are wet.
Hopefully.
I'm gonna put it in the incubator now. And there's already eggs hatching 2 days early. Those are bantams. They hatch a little early. So Polish coming back to the farm. We had some Polish, but it wasn't like a good pure quality. So now we bought some good quality.
We're back to the business.
Let's go.
Polish-wise.
Okay, let's see this packaging. One came broken, unfortunately, and they only sent 12. I ordered 12 and they only sent 12. Usually the right thing that usually people do is they send a couple extra just in case, you know, it gets one gets broken on the shipping, but this person only sent 12 like I ordered, and one was broken, not their fault. So we only have 11 eggs. Hopefully 2 roosters, 9 hens. Let's go. So I'm here feeding the chicks and I hear something over there. And when I look, DiCaprio! Volta pra dentro, vai pra casa. Vem, 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 vem. Vem, come, 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 vem, 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 vem. Come on. Vem. Ó, ele tá correndo. Ó, 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 ó. Big boy. Meu Deus. Meu Deus. Tamanho dele. Ah, DiCaprio. Olha só, olha lá, quebrou lá. Come. Vem, vem, vem. Oh my God, DiCaprio. What happened? Ó, 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 ó. Ei, 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 não morde eu não, cara. Aqui, ó. Olha lá, aqui, aqui, ó. Aqui, ó. Come on, come on. Lá, ó, lá. Tá doido? Agora, I got a little scared that he was gonna bite me. Vai, moço. Come on, go in. Oh my God. Brinquei com a paixão, amigo. Tome. Oh! Essa longa estrada.
Que nessa casa eu existo. Em 1991 casou comigo. Decida se vai embora ou
O que tá acontecendo aí, gente? Bom dia, bom dia! O que aconteceu? Ah, o galinheiro ficou aberto? Todas as galinhas saíram, arruma o boné. Vamos achar... Eita, o peru tá aqui dentro. Eita, cuidado, vamos pegar as galinhas então. Bora levar a galinha fugitiva pra lá. Vai, puxa pra lá. Nossa. Bora, vai. Esse tanto de trabalho que nós temos que fazer, meu pai do céu, vai. Vai.
Tá pegando as cabeças pra baixo?
Tudo aqui, ó, tudo molhado, tudo vazando. Hoje o pai tem que trabalhar, viu? Leva, filho. Segura ela. Segura a... Oh, ah. Vai, filho, vai, vai, vai. Tá pesado? Segura forte. Nossa. Isso. Fofo. O que é isso aí? É o pintinho? Pintinho? Precisa beijar, não precisa. É.
Tava bom.
O que é isso?
É bom.
O pintinho?
Que
Aqui mostra o bico dele. Assim. Aqui é o bico.
Oh!
É bonitinho?
Ai!
Bicou no você?
Bom.
É que tem que fazer carinho, né? É.
Daqui.
O que é isso?
Isso aqui.
Pintinho.
Ó.
As patas. Você consegue pegar? O que é isso? Cuidado, cuidado. Solta ela, solta. Deixa eu passar a mão, posso? Machucou sua mão? Mas tem que pegar devagar, né? Você vai colocar lá? Tá. Então vai. Quer arrumar? Tá pesado? Pegou? Eita, vamos lá levar. Pá. Pra lá, pra lá, pra lá. Vamos.
So the chickens escaped, now they're bringing them back.
They're heavy. They're good for a soup.
Oh, oh. Nah, the other one. Do outro. Oh my God. Pesado. Tá suando. He's sweating. Eita. And look at this. Today is hatch day here at the farm. And check this out. Look how small they are right now, right? But they're gonna be huge because they're chicks from Gigante Rafael. And look at the size of his dad. So In a few months, these chicks are gonna be huge. And for today's project, I'm building the water system for our I think it's 8 coops now. Anyway, so this basically is an automated water system for all the coops. So basically what I have is a bucket that is connected to the garden hose. So that bucket fills up with water, and from that bucket, there is a hose that goes through this chicken coop hall, and that main hose gets a feeder line for each separate coop. So right now, I'm digging the ground so that I can have this sprinkler hose go inside the ground so it's all covered and nothing showing. It's basically the same way as if I would be installing sprinklers. But then I do a split on the main hose to connect to each chicken coops for their own automated water system. It's a lot of work, especially when it's hot and the twins are helping. When they're in a good mood, it's great. But when they're not, then we just gotta do what we can. But today they're in a good mood, so they're playing with the dirt, which makes us think, okay, do I just finish the job, or do I take them inside, or let them play in the dirt? And the answer is simple.
I am on a stage right now that I don't know if... I am at the stage right now that I don't know if I give up or I don't care anymore. Look. Não. Cuidado com a cabeça aí. To be honest, I don't think I give up. I think I don't care anymore. Because sometimes I yell on them. So that means I still care. To be honest, they are living their best life. Oh. Você já tem que ficar de molho. Olha aqui, velho. Ah! Okay, today my husband's already told me that he's gonna give them a shower.
I did not say that.
No.
Did I put words in my mouth?
That we were already deciding right now, so we don't fight.
No,
decide
don't throw
who
it.
Who's going to give them a bath? Because we fight because we love to give them a bath.
Oh yeah, it's amazing. It's the best thing ever.
Yeah. So he's gonna give
You
them
win.
a bath. You know, today it's your. I'm already saying. Don't even ask. You're gonna give them a shower? No, I already
Give them a
said.
shower right here outside
No.
with the hose and dish soap.
Just soap, yeah. So everything comes out.
Yeah.
We can put them on a bucket.
Just one drop, everything comes out. Let's make an ad for Dawn.
Cheers! Ju, mostra a mãozinha pra mão.
So the gate fell. I had a client. I had someone come buy some chicks, and I was closing the gate behind them, and the gate came off the hinge, and I fell over the gate. Look, God dang it! Now I'm trying to fix the gate.